Welcome back. It's time for our trending tickers, the stocks that are trending right now on YahooFinance.com. The first one is Tiffany. Tiffany, right now, if we look at the stock, see what it's doing after Warren Buffett has turned down an offer to acquire Tiffany to match LVMH's buyout offer. Right now, the stock basically flat down just a little bit, while other names are all up. And Buffett is not apparently interested in matching the LVMH acquisition offer. Now, Buffett is a known fan of Tiffany's. After years ago, he did buy $250 million worth of bonds. So I guess Tiffany will end up just selling to LVMH.
Yeah, it looks like they were trying to do a play where they have an offer from LVMH. They were trying to see if they could get a better offer from Warren Buffett and then possibly get a counter offer, something like that. But in the end, he wasn't interested. He helped them during the financial crisis, but the offer was, the price to acquire Tiffany was just way too high for Warren Buffett's taste. LVMH acquired them for $16 billion, and he wasn't going to spend that much.
Or has indicated it will acquire.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, I always think that it's an interesting thing is, there is a kind of backlash that you could see if you try to get another party interested and then they say no. And the first party could be like, well, why don't we just pay less? It's sort of like you've already tried to interest them and it's clear that they didn't see the value at that same level or kind of in that ballpark. If I were LVMH, I'd probably lowball right now.
Well, 2 points on this. One, I have wondered if Buffett and Berkshire will be a little more hesitant and choosy in acquisitions after what happened with Kraft Heinz, because one of the big stories of, I guess it might have been toward the end of 2018, I think it was last year, but was the Kraft Heinz stock tanking and the write-down and Buffett and Munger admitting we overpaid for our stake in Kraft Heinz, in merging those two names. And then the second point, we've talked about how Tiffany's has made big strides in China. We were just talking last segment about Tesla in China. Tiffany, another big name that has had huge growth in China.
Right. So
An American name.
yeah, in terms of investors of Berkshire Hathaway, they're some of them are frustrated because the company's sitting on about $128 billion cash pile. It's all liquid. Why isn't he making these elephant-sized acquisitions right now? But that's why he's Warren Buffett. That's why when he speaks, everyone listens. It's because he's very cautious and he knows when to make a move.
We've heard a lot kind of about how Buffett and Munger really see a lack of buying opportunities right now. I think this kind of underscores that point with just the fact that, well, they're just fine sitting on that money until they find something that they really want to buy.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.